coming east in the afternoon. Waves flat. Tuesday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south after midnight. Waves less than 1 foot in light chop. Wednesday, south winds 5. In the morning. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Minutes after midnight per hour. West line winds 10 knots North Carolina. Then becomes per hour. Weakening his forecast, NOAA is likely to lose tropical characteristics by Monday. The estimated minimum pressure is 993 millibars, 29.33 inches. This is NOAA Radio, all hazards, WNG 586, operating on frequency 162.50 MHz. This program weather is transmitted from an antenna located in Henderson. The station serves the far northeast Piedmont of North Carolina and adjacent Virginia County in the afternoon. Monday night, southwest winds 5 to 10. Waves. A slight pass. From midnight. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Tonight, southeast winds to 15 knots. Showers in the 60s. East winds 5 to 10 knots.
KHB 36, KHB 37, maybe another station.
And thunder southwest Richmond, partly cloudy weather service forecast. Today, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. North winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast this afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A slight chance of thunderstorms. A slight chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast